What's up, guys? I am once again at Caffeine and Octane. What month is it?
70?
It's March. We are at March Caffeine and Octane. I'm looking to start coming back to these. I know I've been slacking lately and I haven't been recording them when I should be. But today, me and Wake are here. Say what's up, Wake.
What's up?
We're gonna go look at some cool shit. Already, we see this G37S, and I guess somebody also has put a carbon fiber diffuser on their G, which, I mean, it's kind of obvious. I don't know why I even said that. It's cool looking though. We got a little Rocket Bunny 86 action going on here. We got a couple other wide-bodied 86s.
It's boosted.
This one's got the full Rocket Bunny kit and the chassis mount, so that's pretty fucking sick. Man, this is awesome. I always love coming to Caffeine and Octane. You see the coolest stuff. If you guys are in the Georgia area, you should really check it out. It's always a fun time out here.
Completely walked past it.
What's up? Oh, oh wow.
You completely walked past it. That's hilarious.
So, if you guys don't already know, if you haven't been watching the channel for a long time, I just stepped on Wake. Oh, Wake probably hates me right now.
Oh, dude, it's fine.
I stepped on the NMDs. Dude, dream car, Mark IV Super right here. Oh damn. And it's white. That's like exactly what I want. We're over here finding more dream cars. We got a 3000 GT. We're over here with David's dream car too. Man, check this out.
You know why it's called a 3000 GT, right? Because there's 3,000 of them.
Yourself, Wake.
We'll make fun.
Everybody's gonna roast you on the internet now.
Good.
They're gonna be like, this idiot thinks she knows everything. Like, they're gonna be like, this idiot kid tried to say that there were only 3,000, and then you're gonna get like spit roasted in the comments.
3,000, man. Come on.
Oh my gosh. Anyways, awesome car. Man, the LC500 is just fantastic. We're zoomed in. What do you think, Wake?
I think it's pretty cool. I like it a lot.
We also got GT3 RS. Wake's a big Porsche boy. Oh God. That's a little obnoxious. Dude, the blow off on that ST is ridiculous. I don't know if you guys could hear all that shit.
Damn.
Oh my gosh, me and Wake are headed over right now to listen to all these guys leave and be a bunch of jackasses and get us all in trouble and make everybody here hate us. But it's cool because it's fun to watch. Right, Wake?
Huh?
Right.
Right what?
Right.
Yeah, sure.
So we're gonna head over here and get some footage of some of these guys leaving. Hopefully we don't get hit. Man, you can't just not like the look of a Lotus. They're just beautiful cars. And we also just saw somebody get busted, and I'm trying to act like I'm not filming them, and I'm totally gonna be filming them. Busted. Bad boys, bad boys. All right, guys. Well, I don't normally film this kind of video, but I'm gonna kind of test it out today because I've never done it before. But I guess it's kind of like a little bit of a vlog. I kind of hate that word, and I don't want to call it that. But right now, right after Caffeine and Octane, me and Wake are headed to the Broken Egg Cafe, and we're probably gonna go try to get some food if the wait isn't too long. Last time I tried to go after Caffeine and Octane, the wait was like 2 hours. So we'll check that out first and
Yeah.
I had a stranger staring at me. Oh, you were just recording me?
Yeah.
You gotta hold it steady.
I'm the cameraman, guys.
Did you hear one of those Corvette guys said gay? When I was flying by him, one of those Corvette guys just goes, gay.
Here's broken egg.
This place is gonna be packed to the brim. It doesn't look like we're gonna get in because there are lots of cars here, and I see lots of caffeine and cocktainers, and there's actually a lot of people waiting outside.
What's something else around here? Olive Garden?
Broken Egg's not gonna work out today, guys.
Olive Garden?
Olive Garden? You think I want a chicken parmesan after I just...
I mean, the garden's right there, man. I see it.
Dude.
I think you want a chicken parm right now.
I don't want a chicken parm right now.
You want a chicken parm.
I don't want a chicken parm.
You are a chicken parm right now, man. Come on.
Don't talk shit about my dog, dude.
Chicken parm.
Dude, you're probably pointing it like right out the window. Nobody can see what's going on right now.
You can say.
I'm gonna close. Now it is. Now it's at me. Everybody's like, I haven't been able to see what this dude is doing. Been doing for the past 5 minutes. You know. Oh shit. They would kick my ass. They would kick my ass so hard. Oh my god.
That guy heard us badass.
Hey, look at the NSX.
The NSX is so... Hey, you want to keep going for this?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that, yeah.
Get it.
Once the rainbow gets next to you, just go.
Oh my god.
Get behind them.
What's up, guys? I forgot to record an outro while we were out after we got breakfast. But that's about all that happened. You know, we just went to Caffeine and Octane, cruised with some cool cars on the way out. That was really cool. Got some good footage of that, hopefully. Hopefully the footage looks good. I haven't really looked at it yet. But it sure was pretty cool being there. But yeah, that's about all for this video, guys. I hope you guys drop a like down below if you like it. If you didn't like it, I mean, you can dislike it. That's up to you. But thanks for watching, guys. Peace out. Bye.
Oh.